Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this style of key fob. This is out of a 2019 Ram. So first, we're going to go ahead and hit this button to release a spare key on the bottom right. And then we are going to flip it over just like this. And then we're going to get a small little screwdriver and stick it down in there just like this. You can be as careful, you need to be as careful as possible. You can hurt yourself. And then so there's another little opening right here, stick it down in there, and then your whole back cover will be released. And then just pop it off like that. And then this takes a CR2450 battery, and then we're going to slide it down just like this, and then take it out with our hand. And then now we're gonna put our new key fob battery in. So then face down, so, well actually the letters are gonna be face up, and then make sure that you slide it back up just like that. And then we're going to put our back cover back on. And then, so go slide in just like this, and then clip it in. So that side's clipped in, that side clipped in. And then we're going to insert our spare key, and that's it.